This is Erin at ParentingHealthy.com, here to show you just how easy it is to use the Innova. So I am going to boil potatoes for mashed potatoes, and I'm going to set this at 194. All I've done so far is plugged it in. I have it Bluetooth connected to my cell phone. You can have it Bluetooth connected and control from your phone as well. Once I have it set at the temperature I want, 194 degrees Fahrenheit, I press the button and you can watch it boil away. And I will be alerted once the temperature reaches 194, or I can keep progress on the top there. It's at about 76 degrees now. Blue light means it's on, and there it goes. Once it's at full temperature, I will have my potatoes that I have peeled and sliced into little about 1-inch thick slices, and I will put them in a Ziploc bag and attach them to the side here in an immersion. So I won't put the potatoes directly, and they'll be in a Ziploc bag in here, and I'll add whatever flavors I want in the bag with the potatoes. A little butter, a little garlic, some rosemary. You can add whatever you want. So I will put them in a Ziploc bag, immerse them, and they will cook at the 194 for an hour and a half while I'm around the house doing other things with the boys. Then my potatoes will be done. And I have no stove on. I have it on the stove just so that it's in a safe spot, but this is not using the stove. I am simply heating the water and cooking potatoes with my Innova.